50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art.
Day 14. Inner Peace. Lord, grant me inner peace amidst the chaos of life. Help me to find tranquility in your presence and to radiate peace to those around me.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Success is not measured by money, but by the impact you make.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Use public transportation, carpool, or bike to reduce your carbon footprint.
For unity for a happier world.
Today, let us set aside our differences and focus on what unites us as human beings.
What is the purpose of our life?
Our presence in this world is a reminder that we are interconnected, and that our actions have consequences.
I believe that each of us can play a role in building a better world with our small and big decisions. I want to take this opportunity to remind others that we are all human and together we can make the world a better place. I want you to join me on this journey. Together we can make a difference. Sincerely, Nima.